Viton O-Rings. Types, applications, and principles. In this video, we will discuss about the following. What is Viton O-Rings? Material of Viton O-Rings. Working principle. Types of Viton O-Rings. And much more. Chapter 1. What are the key advantages of utilizing Viton O-Rings? Chapter 2. What is Viton and why is it used for O-rings? Fluoroelastomer. Viton elastomer. Vinylidene fluoride. Hexafluoropropylene. Tetrafluoroethylene. Perfluoromethyl ethyl ether. Curing agents. Bisphenol. Peroxides. Filler material. Silica. Calcium carbonate. Carbon black. Processing aids. Plasticizers. Lubricants. Stabilizers. Heat stabilizers. UV stabilizers. Colorants and pigments. Iron oxide. Titanium oxide. Metallic oxide. Processing oils. Paraffinic oil. Naphthenic oil. Antioxidants. Chapter 3. What is the construction or manufacturing process of Viton O-Rings? Material preparation. Preparing the mix. Mixing. Compounding. Setting the dimensions. Forming. Molding. Mold preparation. Filling the mold cavities. Vulcanization or curing. Application of heat and pressure. Curing. Post-processing. Cooling and demolding. Trimming process. Quality check/inspection. Cleaning and packaging. Frequently asked questions. What are the key advantages of Viton O-Rings over standard rubber O-Rings? Which industries commonly use Viton O-Rings? What materials and additives enhance the performance of Viton O-Rings? How are Viton O-Rings manufactured to ensure quality and durability? What sealing challenges can Viton O-Rings address in chemical processing or refineries? Are there different grades of Viton O-Rings for specialized uses? Chapter 4. What is the working principle of Viton O-Rings? Compatibility and chemical resistance. Elastic deformation mechanism. Thermal stability and performance. Dynamic flexibility. Customized specificity and applications. Chapter 5. What are the types and subtypes of Viton O-Rings? High-temperature Viton O-Rings. Low-temperature Viton O-Rings. Standard Viton O-Rings. Fluorinated Viton O-Rings. Metal detectable Viton O-Rings. Specialty Viton O-Rings. Chapter 6. What are the pros and cons of Viton O-Rings? Pros. Cons. Chapter 7. What is the impact of Viton O-Rings? Everlasting serviceability. Cost-effectiveness. Environmental impact. Room for technological advancements. Impact on compliance. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right Viton O-Ring manufacturers for your needs.